Now we are starting. This is the 0 1 knapsack problem. Maximum knapsack weight. My knapsack weight, which can accept up to the weight, is 8 units. And profit of objects, 4 type of objects are there. Profit of 4 type of objects is this one. Profit will represent sometimes with P, with sometimes also V also in our question paper. Sometimes this profit will they represent with the P notation or V notation, whatever may be the notation they are using, it is fine. So that's what I gave you in formula I gave you with the V to represent the profit. So sometimes they'll give P or P, anything it is okay. Now type of objects weights. So these are the 4 type of objects weights, and after giving the solution we will get the answer this one, because we already solved with the table method, that we got the solution, and maximum profit is this one by including the which second object and fourth object. By including these two, we'll get the maximum profit of 8, which satisfying the constraint of knapsack weight is 8. So now we are going the second method, that is the sets method. In the sets method, every set we are representing, with without inclusion of every object, with the inclusion of every object, we are finding that which set, by including the which type of objects, what we will get the maximum profit. To represent that set methods, here we are using the pair of profit and weight. Profit, I already told you, profit we can represent with the notation P R V. Every set is represented with the pair of profit and weight. Profit and weight. And we will start inclusion of every object. First we will start with the without inclusion, after that with inclusion of every object. So now I am starting with the sets method. First set will start with the without inclusion of any object. Without inclusion of any object, that is 0 object. So first set pair contains the profit and weight are both are 0. Without inclusion, my knapsack will contain 0 weight, and profit without inclusion of any object is 0. So first set starts with the without inclusion of any object. That's why I am representing S naught. Now for this I am including one object. One object, first object is pair is profit and weight. What is profit? 1, and weight is, this is the my knapsack position. Now I included this one. So what is this? My knapsack will contain after the inclusion of this one means, what is the profit and weight without inclusion of object? What is the profit and weight with inclusion of first object? Now this one is set without inclusion of object. This here I am including first object. Within this I am including first object. After the inclusion of that one, here this is the first set with inclusion of first object. It contains the without object, what is the profit and weight, and it also contains the profit and weight with inclusion of first object. Now I am trying to include for this set one more object. For this set one more object. For this set one more object is how we are including and how we are forming the set with inclusion of second object means, what is the second object here is first object pair profit and weight pair is 1 and 2. Second object profit and weight pair is 2 comma 3. Profit is 2, weight is 3. Profit is 2, weight is 3. So add that to this one and this one. So 2 comma 3 plus 2 comma 3. So what is the set with inclusion of this object means, that I will get this set 3 comma 5. First object I already included. For this first object set, I included one more object, which is the second object with the profit and weight 2 and 3. That's why I added to this set. Then I got the set with this. Now, with the inclusion of second object, what is the set we will contain means, order pairs this without object with one object with the second object with the first and second object combination. These are all pair of profit and weight. Profit and weight. So after the inclusion of second object, this the set we got. In this set, what are the order pairs are there? Without inclusion of any object, with the inclusion of first object, with the only inclusion of second object, with the combination of these two, first and second objects. What is the order pair? Profit and weight. What is the knapsack position? So all the possibilities we wrote without inclusion, with inclusion of one object, with the inclusion only inclusion of second object, with the combination inclusion, what we got, that all we wrote all the possibilities. In sets method also we are writing like that. So this till this point it is clear. Without inclusion, for that we are including one object. After that, what are the possibilities are there that we here wrote? For this I am including one more object. After the inclusion of one more object, what are the all the possibilities are there that I wrote here, Now, 1 and 2 objects are over, two types of objects. Again, 3 and 4 objects, 3, 4 objects are also there. So, for this second set, I am including one more object. So, to include one more object and what are the possibilities with inclusion of third object, here I am writing. So, to include third object, I already told you how to include here and how to get this set 2 with the inclusion of third object means adding that third profit and weight pair to this order pairs. What is that profit and weight pair? 5, 4. So 5, 4, add here also 5, 4, add here also 5, 4, add here also 5, 4. So what is the set order pair here I am getting? 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 4, 4. Now here 5 plus 1, 6, plus 4 plus 2, 6. Order pair I got 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, and 5 plus 3, 8, and 5 plus 4, 9. So I got this one. I got this one. For the set 2, after the inclusion of second object, now I try to include one more object for this. Then I got this with the third inclusion. Now I am writing after the inclusion of what are the possibilities. All the possibilities I am writing in set 3. After the inclusion of third object, what are the all the possibilities are there that I am writing here. That means combination of these two orders. Here also we did same thing. To get this, combining these two. To get this, combining these two. To get this, combining these two. Here also to get this, combine without inclusion of third objects, what are the possibilities? With the inclusion of third object, what are the possibilities are there? Both we need to write. And these are all ordered pairs. So name itself says within the order, right? Within the order, and that means in the sequence order. And whenever you are getting the order pairs in sequence and trying to include into the one set, if it is in increasing order, that are only acceptable condition. Otherwise, we cannot accept that one. And also we need to check every time for the constraint. What is my constraint here? Object my knapsack weight is only the 8. Till that point only it will accept that. Till that point only it accepts. And all the order pairs here are p comma w. Here see, with the inclusion of third object, what are the possibilities are there? I wrote like this by adding this. Here I got this one is p and w combination only. My knapsack accepts only till the 8 units of weight, but here I got the 9 units. So I am just cancelling that, ignoring that ordered pair. So which is which is not satisfying my constraint of my knapsack weight 8, and accepts only the till 8 units of weight. By the in this order pair it is showing weight is 9. So it is not satisfying the constraint. Simply I am cancelling that order. Now, with the inclusion of third object for this problem, my solution, now I am writing all the possibilities. How we will get all the possibilities means by adding these two. Without inclusion of third object order two, with the inclusion of object. So writing in sequence 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, and here check. Next here of the pair is 5, 4. So check here it is profit 0, weight is 0. In this order pair both are increasing. From this order pair to here, this is also both are increasing order. For this to this, if I am comparing, these are 2, 3, these are 3, comma 5. 3, comma 5. So whenever here I am going, this profit is increasing, but weight is decreasing. See, profit is increasing only, but weight is decreasing. So I need to cancel any one of this. So whenever I am cancelling this one, I'll accept only the which order pair is having the maximum profit. So these are all profit and weight. These are all profit and weight. In this order pairs, anyone we can cancel. But to keep the order pair which is having, I'll choose that one which is having the maximum profit. So I'm cancelling this one and I'm keeping as it is in the set this one, 5, comma 4. So till this point I wrote in this set combination. Next one is 6, comma 6 ordered pair. Here comparing with this, these both are increasing order only. Next ordered pair is 7, comma 7. This one also in increasing order only. After this I already cancelled because it is not satisfying my constraint of knapsack weight. So I cancel this one. We need to cancel the order pairs if it is not satisfying the constraint, as well as if the both are these order pairs are not in a increasing order, profit and weight, then cancel any one of the order pair and continue with that which is in an acceptable position. So now, after the inclusion of third object type, what are the possibilities of the solutions we got will satisfy my constraint? This is without inclusion of first object, with inclusion of only the first object, with inclusion of only the second object, with the inclusion of only the third object, combination of 1 and 2, combination of 1 and 2, combination of any 2 or 3 or 1, 2, 3. So that are the all possibilities I wrote here. All the possibilities I wrote here. Everyone note down how we are cancelling the ordering phase which is not satisfying the constraint. Otherwise, if it is not in a increasing order, here it is 2, comma 3, it is okay. From this point it is increasing 3, comma 5. But from this point here profit is increasing but weight is decreasing. So that's why within these two I need to cancel anyone which is having the less profit pair, that I am cancelling, and which is having the maximum profit pair I am continuing with. Continuing with. How we will get this one? By combining this and two this. How we will get this one? By combining this and this. How we will get this one? By combining this and this. By combining this and this. Till this point, is it okay? 3 object pairs we completed. Note down everyone. So till this point, we completed inclusion of first object, second object, and third object. With the inclusion, without inclusion, whatever the possibilities are there, that we got this set. This step on the possibilities of ways with the profit and weight. Profit and weight. So now, for this, I want to include for this set one more object. What is the full last object remaining is with the profit and weight of 6, comma 5. With the profit and weight of 6, comma 5. For this, with the inclusion of one more object to the set 3, how we will get? By adding to the every ordered pair this P, comma W. This P, comma W I am adding to the all the ordered pairs. What is this value? 6, comma 5. So what is the value I will get here? By adding the 6, comma 5, by adding the 6, comma 5, by adding the 6, comma 5 here, 6, comma 5 here, 6, comma 5 here, 6, comma 5 here. Add for every ordered pair, whatever the object you are including with the profit and weight. So these are the ordered pairs we will get here. 0 plus 6, 6, 0 plus 5. Next order pair, 6 plus 1, 0, 8, 8, this 8, this. 11, 9. So see here 12, 11, and this one 13, 2. By adding to every ordered pair in the S3, my fourth object pair for this ordered pairs, I got these ordered pairs. These ordered pairs. So no need of writing this in the exam. This is for to make it easy and understand. I am writing here every time. Without writing here only, you can add that number. So here. And again, I need to check is there any ordered pair which is not satisfying my constraint. That is my knapsack weight acceptable only till the 8 units. Is there any? So 8, 5 is less than okay, PWP. 7 is less than 8, okay. 8 is 8, okay. Here it is 9. Cancel this order. Here it is 11. Cancel this. Here it is 12. Cancel this. Cancel this. Now, what are the all the possible ways after the inclusion of 4? How we will get this set 4 with the inclusion of fourth object? By combining these two sets. So, I am combining these two sets. First order pair 0, comma 0. Second order pair 1, comma 2. Third order pair 2, comma 3. Fourth order pair 5, comma 4. After that, in this sequence, I got 6, comma 6 and 6, comma 5. So 6, comma 6, after the 5, 4, 6, comma 6 is in increasing order. 6, comma 5 is also after this increasing order. But see here, if I am writing like this, order pairs. That's why I am writing in sequence. See here, these after this, these are P and W both are increasing. Here, weight is decreasing. So I need to consider any one of these which will accept the which will in these two pairs. Here profit is as it is, but weight is decreasing. So I need to cancel any one of this. So whenever I am cancelling a set which is having the maximum rate profit, that ordered pair I will continue and remaining I will cancel. But here in this ordered pairs both are having the same profit. So anyone you can cancel. Here I am, for example purpose I am cancelling this one. I am continuing with it to get this set. What are the remaining ones? Here 7 comes. So this already completed. Here 7 comma 7 both are same. So any one of this. Okay. Next remaining order is after the inclusion of fourth object, I got all these possibilities. P comma W pairs. So is there any object to include into this one and to get the one more set? No, because we are having only the four objects. So these are all the possibilities. Within this, which satisfying my maximum knapsack weight constraint and maximum profit is, these are all acceptable only, but within this, which is having the maximum profit is this. And also my constraints also it is satisfied. So here what I got maximum profit is 8, and it is also satisfying my constraints of max of weight 8. So maximum profit I got is 8. But by including which objects I got this, which type of objects I got this, that we need to calculate. Before calculating that one, till this point, note down everyone. Before calculating that one, till this point, just note down. It is called note down. Note down in your notebooks. And what is the answer? Within that answer, I got this maximum profit. 8 units. Now I need to get this. How we are getting by using the sets method that I'll explain. All that point it is brought up. And cancel order pair not satisfying the constraint knapsack weight. It's not satisfying that the constraint weight. And also if not in increasing order. Cancel any one of order pair. If it is not satisfying the constraint of this, are not in increasing order, this order pairs. If it is in going to decreasing order, cancel any one of the order. So till this point it is okay. Everyone completed? Completed everyone? See. Now we need to calculate with the inclusion of which object we got this answer. We got this answer maximum profit. So how we know maximum profit means by this order pair, final order pair. I got the maximum profit and also it is satisfying the maximum constraint knapsack also. Okay. So this order pair is belonging to which set? First we need to check. So this one is belonging to the S4. Okay. That means with the inclusion of fourth object, it is possible. Is there this type of order pair is present in S3, S2 or S1? S3 is there? 8, 8? No. So this order pair is belonging to this S4 only means with the inclusion of fourth object only, I got this maximum profit. So within the answer set, first I got the 1 point. With the inclusion of fourth object only, I got this maximum profit. So that I included. After that, what is the fourth object profit and order pair? Fourth object profit and order pair is 6, 5. So do the minus for this. So without inclusion of fourth object, for this order pair, what we will get? 2, 3. Now check 2, 3 order pair where it is present. So it is present in S4. Already with the inclusion of S4 only we got the answer. So ignore this. After this, before, go back. Is 2, 3 present in S3? Okay, this belonging to S3. And also check for S2 also. So again it is belonging to S2 also. We do 2, 3 order pair here is present in S3 and also it is present in S2 and also check in S1 is it present 2, 3. So it is not present in S1. It is not present in S1. That means 2, 3 ordered pair we got with the inclusion of second object only. With the inclusion of second object only. After that only we don't go, we are going, in the top down approach we went after the S2 only S3. So first where we got this one within the S2. S2 how we are getting the S2 ordered pairs? With the inclusion of second object. So I am including this. So now what is the remaining profit and paid? To know that one, what is the profit and ordered paid of second object? 2, 3. Do this one subtraction within this. So what we will get? 0, 0. So there is no profit and weight remaining to know. That means this maximum profit we got with the inclusion of only the S4 and S2 object in with the inclusion of second object and fourth object. That's why remaining we not required to get the maximum. This is the answer. Which objects are included within this? One, second and fourth object. See, check what is the maximum profit and which ordered pair we got the maximum profit. That ordered pair is belonging to which set? S4 is related to fourth object inclusion, S3 is related to third object inclusion, S2 is related to second object inclusion, S1 is related to first object inclusion. So check that order pair which belonging to which set. So here we checked 8, 8 object pair is belonging to the S4. That means it is again we need to check is it belonging to the S3 also. That means if it is included before only means with the inclusion of third object only we got, but it is not present in the third one. So it is present in like S4 only. That means With the inclusion of fourth object only, we got this order pair. So include that fourth object. And after that, after the removing that whatever the order pair of fourth object, that subtracting within this, that whatever the pair profit and weight we got, that order pair also we need to check. So already we got information about the S4. Leave this and go back. Is this related to S3? Check that one. Yes, it is belonging to S3. And also check for that. It is belonging to previous set also. Yes, check it. In this, it is belonging to S2 also. And is it belonging to S1 also? No. So it is belonging to S2 and S3. Whenever you are doing top-down approach, that means this order pair we got in previous first set only, set 2 only, which is having the less one. So with the inclusion of second object, we got that. Include second object. After that, is there what is the profit and order weight of second object? Subtract that one. Is there any profit and weight remaining? Remaining? No. So that means with the inclusion of these two objects only, we got this maximum profit. Maximum profit, and also it is satisfying the constraint. So that's why within the answer we have specified that one. We got the maximum profit 8 units, and also with the inclusion of second object. Second object and fourth object. Is this clear for everyone? Note down everyone this. Clear?